Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Indian University School, Day Shift. And now I am going to conduct your English class for the students of class 7. And dear students, this is your second week's first English assignment. That means assignment number 1, its discussion for 2022. Okay, English first assignment. Okay, and you have to know the submission date. Your submission date would be this Saturday. That means 26/02. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now, first of all, you have to understand what is written in this assignment 1. Okay. So, first of all, assignment with title. It's 7. Assignment number 1, English. Write an informal letter to a friend inviting her or him to attend your birthday party with a map that shows the way to your home. Dear students, that means you have to write a letter with an instruction by which your friend can come to your home, and it's about inviting your friend to attend your birthday party. Although, dear students, although your friend will come to you, that means come to your home, so he or she needs to know the instruction of your home. That means from the bus station, in which instruction he or she can reach to your home. That means you have to add a letter. Along with the letter, you have to add the instruction, the way from the bus station to your home. Then, learning objective or content. Dear students, these writings are too much tiny, but I have uploaded these assignments PDF at your group. So, you will get that from your group. Huh? Then, students will be able to follow instructions, commands, requests, announcement, and act accordingly. Write informal letters. Okay? Then, Unit 1, attention please. English for today. That means from your English for today you can follow it. There is a map in your English for today book at Unit 1 and its attention there. Okay. Then there are some guidelines. You have to follow these guidelines. Okay. Please note, you have to write to a friend who lives in another district. Okay, dear students, your friend's residence should be in another district, not the same district. Now you have to. That means then your task could be sketch a map from the nearest bus, train, launch station to your home, what I told you. Then mention the turning points and road names. In the map, you have to write the road names. Then describe the instructions from the station to your home. You have to write the description in which way your friend can reach to your home. Then mention features of an informal letter. Mention features of an informal letter. That means you have to mention the features of an informal letter. How? By headings, greetings, salutation, body, complimentary, closing, envelope with address. Then you will get this information in your English grammar book, page number 197 and 247. Okay. So, basically, these are the most important informations regarding your assignment 1. So, you don't need to read about that or bother about that. Okay. So, dear students, now let's come how to start this assignment. Okay, I think you all have your cover page of assignment. So at your cover page you will write, at the place of title you will write, an informal letter to my friend inviting him or her to attend my birthday party with map. Okay, by seeing here you will write the title, an informal letter to my friend inviting him or her to my birthday party with a map. This would be the title. In few cases I saw that you have a great difficulties in writing the title at the cover page, and it would be assignment number 1. Okay, now dear students, we will start writing the letter. Although this in this instruction there is no exact information about the sender and the receiver's name, so you may write your name or place whatever you like. So at the time of writing informal letter, first of all we need to write date. So today is 20 February 2022. Then your residence address. So your residence address means block E, road, imagine that 1, Banusri, Rampura. Then you may write Dhaka, it's your postcode. Okay, so after writing this you have to write dear, imagine that you are writing the letter to me. Okay, so after writing dear you can write any name, because in this assignment there is not mentioned any name. So after writing this you can write about a lot of things about how you will invite your friends. That means, dear friends, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Then long time we have no seen. Then after writing this you may write that, dear friend, you know that my birthday is, or my 13th birthday is on 28 February 2022. So I cordially invite you to attend to our home, and I hope that you will come earlier or at afternoon at our home. After writing this you may write another important thing that is related to this assignment. After writing this you have to write that here is a map, sorry, here would be map from the bus stop to bus stop or bus stand, same, to my house. After writing this you will draw a map. So how will you draw the map? Imagine that your home is at E block, road number 4. So how will you draw it? Imagine that first of all you will draw a road. Okay, so it's maybe DIT road. After that you will draw this road. So here we will give number 1, and this is here is the lake. Imagine that there is a lake. Okay, here is the lake. and here is Farazi Hospital. Here you will write number 2. To what? Wait for that. I will make you understand why you have written 2. Then this is Avenue Road of E, and here you may write 3. Avenue Road of E and F you will write here. Here you will write Farazi Hospital. Here you will write Rampura Bridge. Okay. Then Farazi Hospital. Then after coming here, you write here number 2, 3, 4. Here is the 4 number road. Then you may write 5. So here is the residence of your friend. Dear students, that means I have written 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Why I have written here this? Because you know that I have to elaborate this way. That means in number 1, what is the instruction, then 2, then dear students, first of all you will write this, then the description of the letter. After that you will write, here is a map from the bus stop to my house. Then you will draw this map. It should be too much clear. So in the instruction, we get that after drawing all this, you have to describe this. So after writing this, you will write description. D-E-S-C-R-I-P, description. After writing description, you will come number 1. Then number 1 instructs what? Rampura Bridge. That means number 1 is Rampura Bridge. So you will write from where he is coming or she is coming. He will get down from, he or she will get down at number 1. That means Rampura Bridge. Then number 2. Number 2 for Farazi Hospital. After getting off in Rampura Bridge, you will come at Farazi Hospital number 2. Then give its description. Then number 3. Number 3 is about the Avenue Road of E block and F block. Okay, E and F's Avenue Road. Then number 4. Number 4 is about E and F's road number 4. And number 5 is the destination. Okay, that means in number 5 your friend will get the your home. Okay. So after giving all this description of your residence, at the end you will write at the end. That means after giving all the description, you will write, I convey my salam to you or your youngers or your parents. That means you will finish the complimentary or closing dialogues as per as every letters you will write there. That means in this place you will write this one, and after writing all this description you will write convey my salam, then no more today, and after writing that you will write yours ever. Okay, yours ever, yours ever. Then you may write your name here. Then you have to draw a map like formal letter. So here you will write from here to here is stamp, and in this how you will finish the assignment. Dear students, I am telling you again, here is the feature of an informal letter. After writing the body, you will write here is a map from the bus stop to my house. Then you will draw the map. Then after writing it, you will give description. You will give description of number 1, 2. You may write also A, B, C, D, E like this. And after giving the description, you will write no more today, waiting for your arrival like this. Okay. And after writing that, you will write yours ever, then your name, then from, to. Dear students, in this case, be alert that from your residence it should be in Dhaka, because I have written Dhaka here, and to. In the instruction it's written that it should be in another district. So it may be Khulna, Jashore or Rajshahi, like this. That means not Dhaka. Okay. And your this assignment submission date is 26 February 2021. That means the next Saturday. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.